Are you looking for royalty-free music and sound effects for your media projects? In this video, I'll show you how the YouTube audio library is a great resource to find the perfect soundtrack for your media projects. Let's get started with music. Select the Music tab. You can search by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and attribution. This is an awesome resource that connects music producers and media producers. The library offers a great selection of free music. With the Attribution tab, you'll notice two options: Attribution Not Required, Attribution Required. If you select music that notes required attribution, this means that you'll need to acknowledge the musician. You can include this info within your media project or in the details. Now let's take a look at the Sound Effects tab. You can search by category or simply use the search bar to find a specific sound. In both music and sound effects, you can preview the audio, and when you find what you're looking for, simply download the media. If you are producing a video, podcast, or soundtrack for a play or even a haunted house, the YouTube audio library is a great tool to find music and sound effects.